welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. This is a really special episode. I asked you guys if you would like to guest star on Cravings for a day, and my long-time follower Flavio took me up on the offer. He loves my food and he has made a delicious Murgh Methi. Thank you, Flavio. I'm sure everyone's going to enjoy your recipe.
Hey Karen, this is Flavio. I'm in Washington DC and I'm one of your biggest fans. And today I'm going to attempt to make one of your delicious dishes from your blog, Cravings Adventures, and my husband's favorite recipe, which is Murgh Methi. In other words, chicken fenugreek. I went this morning and got some stuff from the Patel Brothers store, and let's see how this comes out. Wish me luck. Bye. So for this recipe, we're going to use some onions, we're going to use some ginger, we're going to use some garlic, chili peppers, turmeric, and chili powder. And of course, the fabulous leaves of fenugreek. We're going to also use some mustard oil, and finally we're going to use some of the fenugreek seeds that I previously crushed here. First, we're going to whisk together 1 cup of yogurt and 1 cup of sour cream. I'm going to add some salt, some pepper, and I'm going to add some dry fenugreek. Now I'm going to put it on my chicken and leave it aside for 30 minutes. I'm going to start with 1 onion. I'm going to chop the onion in fine pieces until it gets nice and easy for it to cook. Together with some ginger that I'm going to chop up, as well as some garlic. I'm also going to chop 5 chilies because we love it spicy. I'm using a molcajete to powder the fenugreek seeds. And finally, the star of this recipe, methi or fenugreek. Look at this fenugreek, it's so nice and green. I'm gonna chop it and put it aside after I wash it. So let's finally begin. First, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of mustard oil, followed by a tablespoon of regular vegetable oil. Next, we're going to throw some of the onions that I previously chopped. Next, we're going to add the ginger along with the garlic. Now when my onion, my garlic, and my ginger looks like they are ready and they are a little red and a little caramelized, I'm going to continue. Next with the chilies. Well, this already is smelling amazing, so, okay. Next, I'm going to add the fenugreek. And I'm going to cook it for a little bit. Well, next I'm going to add the some of the turmeric. Okay. I'm going to add the chili powder. And finally, the fenugreek that I previously powdered. Next, I'm going to add the chicken. And then the magic starts. Look at this. Just like Karen said, the color in this is just beautiful, turns into this golden. I cannot wait to have this for dinner. Once everything is in the pan and the chicken has been added to all the ingredients, we're gonna leave this chicken to cook for 10 minutes. And we're gonna check in between. What's gonna happen is the chicken is going to release all the liquid and it's gonna cook nice and tender. After 15 minutes of this process, we're going to uncover the pot and we're gonna let it cook for the rest of the time. This chicken has to be cooked for at least 45 minutes. So in between, you'll have to check for salt. Before the chicken is done, 10 minutes before, add 1 cup of water.
Hey Karen, we have a visitor.
Oh my god, it smells delicious.
And it has 5 chilies in there. So you should be pleased
Can't
with
wait.
Well, this chicken finally looks ready.
Karen, this has been a fantastic experience. I have been cooking your recipes for years and I can't wait to cook your next recipe. I hope I made you proud. Here, taste this. What do you think?
It's delicious.
All right, perfect. That's delicious.
All right.
Thank you, Karen.
Thank you, Karen.
Bye. Bye.
Wait, let me have a bite.
So,
I love this.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. Thank you, Flavio, for sharing your recipe with us. I'm sure everyone's going to love it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Make sure that you've rung the bell and that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.